me to open some packages. First, I have this one. I think they're all from Influencer. Got aluminum-free ginger lime and sensitive skin. This says Kiss, and they are cute little heart-shaped Valentine's Day nails. I got pads, bamboo, night defense. Another one. What do we know? Another one. Light flow. Damaged box. Shoe mark. Got the Bridgerton Levin Meadows Dove Deodorant Body Mist. Smells clean. Smells fresh. Another one. Oh, let's look at this tape. And it's another Dove Nourishing Serum Anti-Deodorant. And Nourishing Serum Anti-Deodorant. Last two. My stepdaughter drew on this. Look at this. So cute. Take a guess. Herbal essences. Shampoo. The last one. Mark Anthony. You love me. I love you. Curl to straight ultimate blowout. Look how cute that is. Card. This is the nicest packaging out of all of them, actually. I love this brand so much. And I have the pink one too. Grow Long Ultimate Blowout. Requested these from Influencer, and I think I told myself that I stink. Got 1, 2, 3, 5 Dove brands. 5. I have 5 things. Do I stink? Maybe.